All right, guys. So I got this at M&M Meats. It was on sale. This Chateaubriand, and it's just I believe it's a beef fillet, and it's really small. Look at the size of my hand. So um, this was on sale apparently. So it was actually kind of expensive, but I've never tried this, so I want to try it out. So check it out. You guys want to see the nutrient panel? So we're gonna cook it up. So I'm just gonna crust it up in salt and then put it in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. So all right, let's open this up. Okay, there it is, all seasoned up. So we're gonna put it in the air fryer, and I'll be back. See, it is all done. I put it in the air fryer for about 18 minutes, give or take. So, okay, so as you can tell, it's still really juicy. Is it the oozing out of there? So we're gonna cut it, and then do a quick taste test. Wow, that is steaming. Just get a little bit here. Yeah, there you go. So that's almost like a medium rare right there. Do a quick taste test. It's kind of hot. Hey, get away. Okay, here's the taste test right here. Mmm. That is a really tender piece of meat. Really good, guys. It just melts in your mouth. Alright, definitely check it out. Have any questions, comments, guys? Please subscribe to the channel.